You are the land where I was born, but had to leave because a storm blew me away before I really knew you. It was a storm I could not fight, because you came up for your right to be an independent Indonesia. Indonesia, 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 Indonesia. I crossed the city of Bandung, the Puncak and the Ciliwung. I loved this land whenever I was with you. I did what I've never done before. I bowed my head and told the Lord, I'm proud that I was born in Indonesia. Indonesia, Indonesia, Indonesia. You're marching to prosperity, democracy and humanity for everyone with faith in Indonesia. And I believe that God above will guide us with His endless love. I pray, please send your love to Indonesia. Indonesia, 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 Indonesia. You're working on your dream, I see, of freedom in diversity for everyone with space in Indonesia. So hold on to your history and dance on your destiny. I pray to God, please bless Indonesia. Indonesia, 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 Indonesia. Tot na de pauze.